Hello, my name is Katarina Richter-Lunn, and I'm a doctoral student at the Harvard Graduate School of Design.
And my name is Ela. I'm a graduate student at MIT Media Lab. And we'll be talking about our project, Acu.ation, real-time acupoint stimulation to mediate the urge to smoke. Smoking cigarettes is the leading cause of preventable death in the US. Additionally, smoking is notoriously difficult to quit. Studies have shown that more than half of smokers attempt to quit each year, but less than 10% successfully do. Drug-related cues are a significant factor in whether individuals who are trying to quit smoking have the urge to smoke and whether they relapse. Cognitive behavioral strategies have shown some efficacy in reducing rates of relapse. However, these strategies are not able to reduce cue reactivity in the moment. This means that when someone is having a strong reaction to a cue, like in the early stages of quitting, they may find it difficult to engage with the cognitive strategies that they need. Recently, studies have suggested that transcutaneous electric acupoint stimulation can reduce the urge to use in the moment when a participant is exposed to an environmental cue. With this in mind, we propose a system where in the moment when a person is triggered by an environmental cue, they receive teas through a wearable device to decrease their physical reaction. At the same time, they're guided through a cognitive behavioral intervention with the idea that as their reaction decreases, they can better engage in healthy cognitive practices and be less likely to relapse.
Here we introduce the system architecture of the Acu.ation wearable. The first layer consists of two 1-inch circular electrodes placed on each acupoint location on the left forearm. Second sits the primary flexible structure of the wearable that attaches to the electrodes and provides a platform for the hardware delivering the teas to sit on. Lastly is the secondary structure, which is composed of both rigid and flexible materials. This outer layer conceals the visibility of the electrodes and provides a housing for the electrical components. And here we see a more detailed view of the architecture of the device through an exploded diagram. Some considerations and discussion. The device serves as an additional aid for relapse prevention, not a substitute for existing treatments. The electrical stimulus is intentionally self-actuated to provide a sense of control and is paired with a cognitive intervention to mitigate potential dependency. Future developments look at using mobile data and physiological metrics to proactively suggest the use of Acu.ation when at higher risk of relapse. Next steps look at assembling a pilot study to assess usability, efficacy, and variances in thresholds. Thank you.